Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make a craft I invented called Message inside a message. Start. Let's go. So first draw a straight line in the middle of your paper. That'll be so you can put your messages inside more messages. Then you gotta cut. There. I'm done. So as you can see, we are already done cutting it. Now you may use your other piece. Cut a shape. Be sure not to make it too small, and also a very important suggestion, don't make it too big. So as you can see, I cut right over here, but the place that you cut is optional. So cut your paper into a shape. Then write a message on it. So write a message on it. Let's say I'm gonna write to Dad. So I'm gonna write it. So we're gonna write it. I'm gonna write his name here. You viewers can decide who you want to write to. And I'm gonna add a comma, and then I'm gonna write my message. Like I'm gonna write a love message. Like for example, my message is gonna be, I love you. And then I'm gonna write, good job for being my father. See? You see that? You can write a love letter to anyone too. But the message you write, it doesn't have to be a love letter. However, that's what I'm doing for this one. Then what you do is cut out a smaller quadrilateral that is not too small. Like for example, I'm gonna cut this. See, I cut this. Now I'm gonna cut like this, and then I'm gonna cut the rest. There is the message that we're gonna write. So I'm gonna write another message. Like, let's see, I'm gonna write, pray for Jesus. It's important to pray for Jesus because he helped you just like God helped you. And they're still going to help you. Jesus died on the cross to take the blame for all of your sins. I know that all of you viewers sin sometimes, but God doesn't like when you sin. There, now we have our very last paper. Once I write on it, it's going to become our very last message. Like this piece is so small that I'm not going to write so many words. Like this one's going to say, have a good day. Watch me as I write it. Have a good day. I hope all you viewers have a good day. Otherwise, I won't be happy if your day is not good. Okay, yeah. There we go. Next, what you need to do is label each paper. Now what you have to do is label every paper message inside. And then if you want the message receiver to know where to open, then draw an arrow. Like this one is labeled message inside. And then an arrow. Like that. All the rest of the message inside labels I'm gonna write with pencil, but you viewers, you don't have to use pencil. So every other one I'm gonna label message inside. The last one's going to be labeled message in, so I don't have to write too much. So next, make what I call bag with every paper except for the last one. Now I got my glue. You can use tape if you like, but I prefer glue. Glue, as you can see, is an option for you. See? Look how I am gluing this one. See? This is what I am doing. So watch how I'm turning each paper except the last into me. So I'm gonna close the little bag thingy, and by bag I mean the messages in. There. Now the same thing needs to be done with this one. I'm gonna do through here, then up here. There. Now that we have our things glued, we can put the messages. So put each message inside the message.